Yo, what is up, guys? It's your boy Matt here, and welcome to Car Adventures. Yeah, it's just been a playlist sitting on my channel for a while now with nothing in it. We're going to pick up my dad's newest car, a 1971 Chevy Camaro. It's gonna be cool. It's gonna be fun. Can't wait. I'm hyped because it seems like a really nice car. I mean, preferably to me. It doesn't have a spoiler on it, so not really my type, but it looked pretty pimp. This baby, the old custom S has to go though. She's gonna be leaving us. We miss that car. Yeah, we share so many memories in that car. We smoked this guy out one time. We just sat there for 30 seconds just roasting the right tire because it's a one-legged wonder. Just sat there roasting a tire and we couldn't even see the guy's headlights behind us. It was so funny. But yeah, so we're gonna go pick up the car. I think we have to get the trailer first. But yeah, so see you there.
I don't even see it.
Yellow.
Trailer's going the wrong way.
Don't be videotaping me trying to get this thing.
Sorry.
I'm gonna have to reset.
This Dodge is gonna be waiting. Sorry, bud.
He's gonna be waiting. Yeah, man.
Don't kill the mailbox. Figured you needed a little pep talk.
Just try to follow up.
Once you got a turn, just follow it in.
I'm on just like
You're good.
Let's see if we can figure out how to use Brian's toys.
I actually. Dad.
You always hold back, dude. Hold back.
Now that I see the car with it, I actually see it. I kind of like that spoiler.
Yeah. All right. So then we got free spool.
Oh, it's just like mine.
If it worked.
I think that wasn't free spool.
Engage.
Maybe not.
Free spool. I don't know. I don't want to break it. How's yours?
And it's not at all.
What the levers,
Yeah, it's like. Spool doesn't say pull up or push there.
No, you just move it over. You gonna talk them into this one being yours?
I don't know about that. Maybe at some point.
Still a nice body style, you know?
Yeah.
I got a regular winch.
One of my favorite movie cars is this car.
Is it?
Yeah.
Can't get in touch with him. We can probably rig that up.
It's not really a movie car.
Figure out how to turn it on. No, you can't get this over to disengage.
Oh.
So guys, here it is, the 1971 Chevy Camaro, our newest addition to the, well, my dad's newest addition to the fleet. Still has the white walls. This thing has been sitting in that garage for 20 years, and it is, my dad calls it a time capsule. That right there and that right there is the only rust on this car. I mean, this thing is mint. No spoiler, but it's okay. Looks stylish still. Still has the white walls, like I said. I mean, everything on this car is perfect. There's a 307, which is based off the 350, which is awesome. Hubcaps are still there. I mean, this car is ridiculous. I mean, look, grill. Like, look at that. We're gonna take it to the car wash and power wash it. Look at that. C for crazy, awesome Camaro. Look, still has some of the orange paint from when they painted it. I mean, everything on this car is here. Nothing has rotted. It has been sitting in the same garage its whole life. That is amazing. That's probably my favorite part about this. I mean, the same body style as the Trans Am. If you follow me on Instagram, you know what that is. Same as the Firebird, all F bodies. I mean, this car is amazing. Just look at that face. Look at that. That is one wicked car. Yeah. Fix that, but that's okay. And it has a little ding in the bumper, but I'll buff right out. Hey, I cited it before, it's like 50 times, but this car is amazing. Single exhaust, no duals. Just one over there. And look at that. Amazing. Just amazing. Beautiful car. So, we're in like a little shopping center, I guess, waiting for my dad to get done with the title. We're signing it up and signing it over. So yeah, we'll see you. I think we're going to the car wash next. Power wash before we go in the garage, so see you guys there.
It's alright, I'm just trying to decrease the angle.
Are you trying to go all the way up with it as far as you can?
You don't think...
No, I can't believe it's working.
Not too much, just enough, right?
A lot of weight being lifted off the back of the truck.
It's better than it was.
Yeah. I
So,
can't believe that is lifting the truck. All right, who's running the winch?
you are. Alright. Was it in... I did put it in park. Are we chopped?
Yeah. So we did not
Did
go.
we just lose the...
So guys, it turns out we did not go to the car wash, but that's okay. So.
Yep. I just don't want to drop them.
I'm getting it off the winch right or the trailer right now.
You have to watch us.
Yeah, I know. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Hold on. That tire is not completely centered with that.
That's okay. As
Oh.
long as it comes down the ramps.
All right. Because I mean,
That tire's not going to turn by itself, is it? Just tell us if it looks like the tire's starting to try and turn.
all right.
Maybe I ought to turn it a little bit.
Just such a tad where, yeah.
Okay. We're only going to go like 3 feet and then we're going to straighten it. You got to keep watching it though.
Gotcha. As soon as you get over to the ramps, you should be good, because then all the tension is pulling it backwards, so you should be fine.
Thanks, dude.
Yeah. Just trying to be optimistic here.
That's good.
Nice.
Car time.
That was fun.
Go check on the dog.
Yeah, I got you. So yeah, that was the video, guys. Hope you liked it. I had a lot of fun. I mean, just road tripping that far. I mean, I've never actually really done that before, so it was a new experience, and it was a lot of fun, honestly. We have to go return the trailer that we borrowed from my dad's friend. But yeah, I'm sure you guys don't want to do that because you saw us picking it up and it was boring. But yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.